Use a hex key to remove the seat bolts.
Remove the seat and place it in a side position.
Remove the rear light bolt. Detach the rear light inside the controller box and pull the cable out. You will need the L adapter. Firmly attach the rear light to the adapter. Mount the adapter bar on the rear support. Tighten it firmly. Pull the controller cable that connects to the light out of the box. Position the rack and prepare to tighten it. Tighten the rear seat bolts, securing the rack. Position the support bar to tighten it to the frame. Tighten it firmly. Connect the light to the cable coming from the controller. Do not forget to match the two arrows. Reinstall the seat and test.